Ellie, language. Jeez. Ammo? No. Boom! Haha! Hee hee! He didn't even see that coming. Look at you, goggle wearing fool. Soul. It's the door of evil. I don't want to go through that door. Is there another way out, soul? Can we swing on the banners, soul? No. Can't we just like climb down there and then swing on the lamp and then softly, gently land right there and then maybe go through the window? Sad days indeed. Alrighty. Let's do it, I suppose. Ellie, how about you pull out your knife and you help me if I get in trouble right here. Okay? Yes? Or even use that little gun you got in your hands. The door handle of doom. Opening this door makes me want to do number 2. Alright, Soul, are you ready? Are you prepared? I don't want to. Stupid Richard Harrington, you bastard. Alright, here we go. 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 Okay, for real. Here we go. Alright, no. Okay. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Okay, here we go. Ellie, shoot him! Right in the head. Boom! Ellie! Boom! Boom! In the head! There, his head's up!